this video, we're going to share with you 2 of the best ways that your brand or business can generate hours of engagement-driving content in just one sitting. Welcome back to the Riverside YouTube channel. I'm Bridget, a video producer here at Riverside. And before we get into the video, drop your business's social media handle in the comments so that we can see how you use video to promote your business. First, let's talk about why video is so important for your business's online presence. Video is a highly engaging medium that can help you build a personal connection with your audience. By creating videos, you can showcase your personality, your expertise, and your passion for your business. This can help you build a following of loyal fans who are more likely to become customers. There are many ways you can create video content for your business, but 2 of the most effective ways are by creating short-form specific content and creating long-form content to be repurposed into short-form video. When creating short-form video, you don't have long to capture and hold the viewer's attention. Your focus of the video content should be on providing value for the viewer. So this means that the video should be informative, funny, educational, or insightful. One of the best ways to hook the viewer right off the bat is with a human connection, so showing your face. This is why talking to the camera and relaying information can be so personal and beneficial. So, what you're going to do is hop on camera and start talking about something related to your business. Here are some ideas. Answer frequently asked questions in your business's niche. You can use a tool like Answer the Public to find common questions related to your industry, and then create short videos to answer these questions. This can be a great way to establish yourself as an expert in your field and provide value to your audience. Start the video off stating the question and then move on to answering it. Share your knowledge and insights about your industry with your audience. Provide tips and tricks that can help them better navigate your industry. For example, if you have a makeup company, you could create short videos comparing various makeup brands to help your consumer understand the products that they're purchasing. Give your audience a sneak peek into how your business operates. Share stories, processes, and procedures that are unique to your company and help to build your brand identity. For an example of a company that does this effectively, check out the Canadian chocolate company Midday Squares on Instagram. Share your thoughts on industry news and trends. Keep your audience up to date with the latest happenings in your industry and provide your own insights and opinions. For all of these topics, use a free AI tool like ChatGPT to help you further plan your content. Ask in the chat box, what are some lesser-known industry insights for the podcasting industry? Give me some short-form content ideas for a behind-the-scenes video for my podcast production agency. Give me 10 trending topics in the podcast industry to talk about. Now that you have some ideas for your short-form video content, let's talk about how to create those videos. One of the best tools for creating high-quality videos is Riverside. The platform allows you to record high-quality video and audio over the web or using just your mobile device without any additional equipment. This is a fantastic option if you're just starting out and you don't have a lot of resources to invest in equipment. Once you have a Riverside subscription, download the app and log in. Create a studio for short-form content and head into that studio. We suggest using the back camera to get the highest quality video. There's a little toggle on the top right-hand corner of your screen, and propping your phone in a vertical position using a tripod because you're creating vertical first content. Head into the studio. Press record. Now you would record your video, remembering to look directly into the camera. You're simply having a conversation with your consumers. When you're done recording one video, end the recording, and then start the recording again to record your next video. This will make sure that all of your video files are separate and available to download on your Riverside account on the web. When you log into your Riverside account on the web, select View All Recordings under your short-form content studio. All of the recordings will live here. If you want to share these with an editor or producer, you can rename the files to keep them organized and share a link to all of the recordings. To edit these yourself, select a recording. This is where you would download your transcription, which we will talk about later. Head into the editor. Select Story. Trim the beginning and the end of the clip to cut out any dead space. Now remember, you only have a couple seconds to catch the viewer's attention, so you want to get right into the value as soon as possible. That means no dead space. You can brand this video with the design tools. If you had to record in a noisy environment, you can remove background noise and then export in up to 4K. This is what your clip will look and sound like if you record using the Riverside app with no additional equipment. While short-form content is great for engaging with your audience on social media, it's also important to consider long-form content as part of your video content strategy. Some great ways to create long-form content is through webinars, online panels, or similar educational events. This type of content can help establish you and your business as thought leaders in your industry, and you can provide value to your consumers. Host these webinars or panels live on Riverside to an audience. Create a studio, invite people, and share the audience link to your studio where the event will be recorded. I suggest using Riverside on the web for these types of videos so you can use the presentation, screen share function, and the media board in the studio to add visuals for your audience. We have some great videos on how to host both a panel and a webinar on Riverside. I will link to those videos in the description. Once you've created a long-form content piece, you can post that to YouTube or your website as an educational video asset. And then you can repurpose that content into shorter clips to drive discovery for your business on social media. For example, you could create a series of 1-minute clips that showcase the most important takeaways from your webinar. These can be shared on social media and can help drive traffic to the original long-form video on your website or YouTube. You can cut these clips from your long-form recording directly in the Riverside editor. View all recordings under the studio where you recorded, select the relevant recording, and select Edit. Choose Story, and trim along the timeline to a clip with key information. Now, design that clip by choosing who will be on screen, what the layout looks like, and add your branding with the design tools. When you export, remove background noise and export in up to 4K. So now you have a ton of clips and content ready for social media. The last thing you want to consider is captions. These are a huge engagement driver on talking head clips. Every time you record with Riverside, you can download the transcription, as I mentioned earlier, in a text or SRT format. These can be used to generate accurate captions on YouTube and other platforms. Check out the video linked above where Stephen will teach you all about adding captions to your videos. Whatever type of video you create, make sure to showcase your personality, expertise, and passion for your business, and share those video clips across your social media platforms to build a following of loyal fans. Before you go, remember to link your business's social media in the comments of this video so we can check it out. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And before you go, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss another video from Riverside. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next one.